One day, quite by chance, I stumbled on another remarkable scene. I've just come across this small group of elephants crossing this plain here. I'm not entirely sure who it is. Oh, hang on a minute, that's Grace. There's Grace right at the back. She's so distinctive because she's got this enormous single right tusk. She's right there at the back on the right-hand side. I remember Grace from years ago when she had just given birth. The calf looked about 4 months premature and was tiny, half what it should have weighed. With Grace was her adolescent daughter Gwen. The calf was deathly pale. Grace needed to move it out of the sun before it was badly burnt. I felt for her. Her other offspring were upset too. It's unbelievable. She picked the baby up between her tusk, her single right tusk, and her trunk, and lifted it high in the air and then carried it. It was quite an extraordinary scene, and we've seen nothing like it before or since. The baby died that night. Grace stood over the body for 4 days. Her grief made me more determined to share my experience with others.
Major funding for nature is provided by Canon and by the 34 mile per gallon Ford Escape Hybrid.